So it's another night here sa Paskuhan sa Lanao del Norte at MCC Agura Tubod. So mangita ta group nga atong i-ask for tonight. So good evening guys. So this is
Laani.
Race.
Jobert.
Eric Di Salvo.
nag-unsa mo karon?
Nang laag.
Naglaag.
Obvious man po siguro ng laang no pero sika mo unsa may reason nga nianhi mo diri sa Tubod?
Makawala sa kalaay.
So natay ko ako'y question. Kani kay since group man mo, dapat mutubag mo o dungan mo mutubag. Kay sayo na jud kayo ang question. Unsa nga band ang mag-concert karong December 21, 22? Yeah, balik. Unsay band? Balik. Unsay band na mag-concert karong December 21 and December 22? That is correct! Congrats! At dahil dyan, nakatubag mo sa akong question, naamoy VIP tickets for Ben and Ben Concert Day 2! And we have found two best friends karon. And may I know sa iyong name?
Juan, Andrea May Holoyohoy.
Reyna Flor. Pwede ka ba kabalo taga-asam mo?
Taga Picarangan, Tubod.
Taga Kulambugan. Okay. Layuan ninyo, oy, dayon. O sa reason nga ni mo jud mo diri karon?
Tungod na sa live.
Sa live.
Dayon sa rides.
Okay.
Mga rides.
What is the capital town of Lanao del Norte?
Tubod.
Yes! And that is correct! So for your prize, namoy VIP tickets for Ben and Ben Concert Day 2!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So we have found another group of friends right here. So we have
I am Rosemary Daaro from Tadin Rapu, dari ra sa Tubod Sako.
Marichel Pastority, taga Talambo. Talambo.
Tubod ra Japon.
Giselle Miparanum, from Bolan.
okay, so gikan mo tanan sa tubod.
Yes.
So makabalugid mo ani.
Siguro.
Okay, so mag-ask ko question and if makatubag mo na may prize.
Sige, ma'am.
Okay, so ready?
Yes, ready.
Hinay man. Ready?
Ready!
Okay. So for your question, dapat dungag answer ha. Unsa nga band ang mag-concert karong December 21 and 22?
Ben and Ben!
That is correct! Congrats! So for your prize, tamoy VIP tickets for Ben and Ben Concert Day 2. Kuya?
Clinton.
Jalay.
Jujay.
And baby?
Evan.
Oh, cute.
Juseril. Aya.
Joseph.
And may I know taga-asa mo po? Kapatagan. So, karon is mag-ask me question. And if kung makatubag mo ani kay naamoy prize. A chance to win something. So, ready?
Ready!
Dapat dungan mo tubag. Ready?
Ready!
Sige. For your question, what is the tagline of Lanao del Norte?
The land of beauty and bounty.
Balik, what is the tagline of Lanao del Norte?
The land of beauty and bounty.
That is correct! So for your prize, tamoy VIP tickets for Ben and Ben Concert. Kenly, Maureen,
Cherry.
and what's your address? Sigasa mo.
Paroy.
Poblasyon Tubod. Poblasyon Tubod, Ausa.
Baroy.
Okay, so dool-dool ra no. So, kaninga game, you have to complete the lyrics sa kanta. And dapat dungan mo. Sayo na kayo siya. Dapat dungan mo ha. Okay, G? Balik. Ready?
Ready.
Sige, closer. Complete the lyrics. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa?
Araw-araw!
Congrats!